Hi, everyone. My name is Caroline. I'm a product marketing manager here at New. And in the next minute, you're going to see how AI can apply your company's own booking metrics and rules for things like ARR and ACV right on the quote without you having to go through any coding or rework. So why does this matter? We know that not every company defines ARR and TCV and ACV the same way. So when the standard value definitions for booking metrics on a quote don't match how your business defines them, then revenue operations often has to come in and fix that manually outside of the quote. So New is closing that gap so that you can actually apply your own business rules when calculating booking metrics and use AI to apply them right on the quote. So let's go through what a potential scenario could look like in New. So let's say in this example that a sales rep is quoting for a product room standard and they want to do that for 36 months. Now, the price looks right, but the revenue operations wants the ARR to be calculated to reflect the committed monthly revenue instead of using the default metric calculation, which is what we have now. So what revenue operations can do is they can go into Price Builder AI Assistant and they can create a new pricing plugin. So for this, I am going to add in the business rule that I want to apply for this room standard product. And then AI is going to use that direction to actually create the pricing plugin for me. And this is important because I'm not having to go in and write any code myself. I am just giving AI very simple, plain language describing what I want, and it's going to run and test and apply it for me. So it's currently creating the plugin for me to apply to the quote. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that, and we're going to activate it to add to the room standard product. So you'll notice once I hit activate, I can go here and recalculate my price with this new plugin added. And we can see the adjustment made to the ARR. So now we see that the Delta ARR follows the business rule that we provided, and revenue operations doesn't have to come in and fix it later, nor does the rep have to remember any special exceptions for a product. So to recap, we saw how revenue operations can describe how they want booking metrics to be calculated at the quote, and then use AI to turn those into pricing plugins. And the New is going to apply that automatically whenever the quote is being used or whenever the product is being used. This is going to give companies so much more control over how deal value is being measured. And for revenue operations and for your pricing admins, it means that they can define pricing logic once and have that being used consistently across different quotes without having to use any sort of custom code. Thank you for watching.